trade that I took today. Gonna break it down for you guys this morning. Or this afternoon, evening. Sorry. I'm a little tired. So, when I wake up to the market, this is what I'm presented with. I'm gonna actually fast forward this just a touch. No, I'm not. Just kidding. Just gonna play forward a little bit. So when I sit down, it's about 8:30. So yeah, I'm good with that. It's close enough. Go to this 1 hour time frame. So at 8:30, I see we had a decent push from yesterday's New York session into this previous high of day that we have marked here. So I can definitely expect a nice little pullback back down into this area here to fill this void. Okay. It looks like we came off of a 1 hour here. Okay, so we can delete that. Boom. But looking, it looks like we have a 1 hour that created a push here. Previous contrary candle that we could see a reaction off of to head down to fill in this void here. So that being said, I see we got a nice little push here pre-New York in the 15-minute. Yeah, so it looks like we got a nice little hour one right here. We have a nice shift of structure. You can see we're creating higher highs, higher lows. And we are now starting to create lower lows and lower highs. That being said, we can see the time frames are shifting. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Hesitation. We are still bullish until we break below this. Now we officially have lower lows, and we can expect to make lower highs and lower lows to fill this void. So my bias this morning when I see this is that we need a pullback. Okay, I can see that we have a 1 hour candle here and we have a 1 hour little void to fill, which is about 20 pips. So that's a good little distance to target for this 1 hour before expecting one price to come off of here. Higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and reject and come back up like that. Or expect price to shift structure, use this, use that to come down and fill this void. So this 1 hour zone will be my first target to see a reaction from either from here to go up or from here to continue this downtrend. So I mark my 1 hour. If I go to my 15, it looks like it's been touched, but it's still valid because in the 1 hour time frame, it hasn't been touched. So in the 15-minute, I come here. There's really no 15-minute. And there's no 1 minute supply either. So what I would like to do is wait for it to react off of this 1 hour in our session. So I'm going to play this forward a little bit. So we can see a nice little push there, which in the 1 hour still hasn't been touched. It's just a little rejection. We did have 8:30 news. So we now started our session. Went too fast. You can see we have now started our session. I'm going to go to the 5-minute. You can see the rejection clearly, but there's no supply for the 5 minutes. So I broke down to the 1 minute. And I did see that we have a nice little 1 minute here. So we have a nice little 1 minute push here. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to touch that 1 hour it touched the 1 hour. This is my entry. Just kidding. This is my entry. See, it touched the 1 hour. We're just waiting for it to project off of this 1 hour time frame. But you can see right here, it did give us a 1 minute confirmation. So I set my short position here, 8 pip stop loss, and I targeted this H1 for a 2.5. So we wait, boom, it taps. We do go into a little bit of drawdown. You can see here, just continues to head to the downside. Put this in a 5 minute. Boom. Just like that, little 1 to 2.5, risking 1% on my account. Another $1,000 day.